This time, the theme is video creation.
はい、今回は動画の作成をしていきたいなと思っております。
At Taiwa Academy, there is a restaurant run by students. It's a restaurant called Fuji. You run the shop. There, you actually sushi to the customers. In today's class, we will create advertisements for a restaurant run by students. It is important to use videos effectively. Since videos contain more information, it is also important to make effective use of subtitles. I hope you learn various things and broaden your expression in videos. To do their best. I believe today's learning will be useful in the future. Video editing is with Canva, you can create not only flyers, but also videos. Let's learn about that possibility today too. I learned that there are various ways to apply effects. It's a great opportunity to think about what choices would be effective. The most memorable thing was how to create videos with Canva. What I found enjoyable was the way the audio sources were chosen in the slides. I tried to put what I learned in class into a text that is easy to understand. I was feeling the difficulty of how the color of the text matches the background. I worked hard to think about what materials to combine and how to combine them for today's lesson. Considering the concept, it was very enjoyable. I am enrolled in a sushi learning course, and I hope to work at a sushi restaurant in the future. Additionally, I want to become an expert in Japanese cuisine as a whole. I will work hard in school and aim to excel in the future. I will also do my best in my job. Search from now on. Since the internet is important, in today's world, I believe by applying what I learned today to social media, I can attract customers. I think I can become an expert in advertising from today's class. The food looked delicious. Right now, the students are adding subtitles to the having video. Them add animation to that caption. I'm looking forward to this work because it allows students' personalities to shine through. Among various advertising methods, I believe that social media is very important. And recently, billboards have become digital. So I hope students can understand this. I would be happy if you could grasp this in today's class. The momentum of digitalization in society will likely continue to digital ones. It's important to have schools where you can learn these digital skills. Students will acquire digital skills and thrive in the stores they are involved with and in society. Canva is just a tool. It is humans who use it. I want students to acquire the skills to master the tool. And I hope you become a sushi chef who can perfectly master both digital skills and cooking in the future.